Guys, I don't know if you can hear me. This is James with Hughes Dye Tech. I'm putting Lisa's DyeBold dyes to the test. These are her dyes in the purest form. They're great powder dyes. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and put them to the test. As I told you, I pre-sprayed this carpet already. I dyed it 24 hours ago. It's dried. No crunchiness whatsoever, like I explained before. We went ahead and used this pre-spray and even boosted it with Boostall, so it's very high in pH. And we're going to use an extreme acid rinse as well. It's been dwelling for over 10 minutes, and we're going to use portable set of 500 psi with heat. And it's been building up for a while. You'll see the steam coming out right now, and we'll go ahead and test it. There you go, guys, all the steam. We are highest temperature. Let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and have Renee hold this while I go ahead and extract it. You can watch the process and tell me what you think. Let it speak for itself. You ready? Here we go. Okay, guys, we just went ahead and extracted Isa's. We just tested Isa's DyeBold dyes. This is the carpet. To the touch, it has lost. It does not feel crunchy, and as you can see, it did not lose any color whatsoever. And the temperature was over, I think the portable's pushing out like 190 to almost 200 degrees. So there you go. So, and Renee tried it earlier by rubbing it. There was no crunchiness. Was there any crunchiness?
No, there was not. It was very soft.
So these dyes do not have a crunchy feel, and they're color fast. They do not fade under extreme heat. Thank you, guys.
Yes, you covered enough for me.
All right.
I'm gonna say something that I've been trying to take this class for quite a while already, and I talked to several other instructors. And most of them told me that polyester could not be dyed. And one of them told me that I could go to Home Depot and buy this stuff and trick my clients into believing that the carpet was fixed. After all, she was gonna be moving out of her house, and she was never gonna notice what I did on the carpet, and I could make a lot of money, and I didn't take that class for that reason. And when I met you, Isa, if you remember, I asked a lot of questions, and I even asked you if it was the PS type of class that was gonna guide me into that type of things. You said no, you can dye it. And for what I saw today on my first shot at dyeing polyester, I might have used a little bit more yellow than I should have. But yeah, I washed this carpet already twice while you guys were talking, and the dye doesn't come off. So thank you so much. That's the only reason why I took your class, and also your honesty. I really love dealing with honest people, and the first time that I saw one of your videos, I noticed that you are a genuine person who speaks up front, and you are dedicated to what you do in compared to other people that I had talked to. So yeah, I love your class, and I'm sure that this extra yellow that I use is just a technical issue that it was part of my poor training as of now, but as the time goes by, I think I can perfect it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Mark. Do you mind sharing?
No, not at all. No, let me see. Where's my camera at? And you said, oh, well, I work on this corner here where my fingers are.
Okay. Yep. Yep.